Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, according to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, nearly 70% of retirees will need some type of long-term care. This is a big concern for a lot of people, Calvin. So what can we do to manage this risk?
Sure. Well, some people choose to self-fund. Some people choose to buy a long-term care policy if they can qualify. And some people use hybrid policies like life insurance policies with accelerated benefit features or different types of fixed or indexed annuities where you can get a doubling of income or an increased spend on the deposit that you made. So there's a lot of different new tools that are out there to help cover long-term care needs. And that's why we put together this retirement roadmap kit, so that everybody can really understand what those options are and make the best plan for themselves.
Right, and a lot of people don't understand what all the options are available today with long-term care and other areas of retirement planning as well. That's why you have this great resource kit for us today.
That's right, especially women who may be the surviving spouse and they're not going to have somebody at home to help take care of them. They really may need it, but it's about a 50-50 shot if whether you're going to need long-term care or not. So that's why this kit is valuable, whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, you've been retired a long time. Having these discussions around long-term care are typically neglected as part of a financial plan, and we want to make sure that we cover it.
Right, it's a tough conversation to have, but an important one. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about some of those options for covering long-term care and retirement, call, text, or go online to get Calvin's Retirement Roadmap Kit. Calvin, thanks so much for your time today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.